And at 11:26 p.m., it's still going to be hot here in South Florida. Summertime heat is back. Temperatures today running well above average. The humidity also on the high note, and that continues as we head toward Wednesday and Thursday. A little less toward the weekend, but we're also expecting more rain this weekend as well. High temp today, 88. There's the all-time record of 92. Morning low, 78. You can see how the temperatures compare to where they should be on the second day of November. Current temperatures across Palm Beach County. Again, everybody in the low to mid-range of the 80s. And as I pointed out earlier, those dew points in the 70s. So the heat index, what it feels like, easily topping 90 degrees even at this hour. Current heat index in the town of Okeechobee is close to 100 degrees, and we will do it again as we head toward Wednesday. Right now, first warning Doppler radar pretty quiet. A couple of showers offshore. The only organized rain is headed for the town of Okeechobee. That's some good news for you. It'll cool things down, at least briefly, as this shower continues drifting off toward the south. The other big story today, Hurricane Lisa now making landfall in Belize City as a Category 1 hurricane. It did so just a couple minutes ago, becoming the first hurricane to make landfall in Belize in 80 years. It will weaken quickly as it moves over Central America, and what's left of it, as you can see, will end up in the Bay of Campeche as we head toward the first part of next week. Meanwhile, there's another hurricane we're tracking. This one, thankfully, in the open waters of the North Atlantic. Look how fast it's moving. Northeast at 31 miles per hour. This one has winds of 85. Forecast to continue moving quickly to the north. As you can see, take a big turn. And as we head toward the next 5 days or so, maybe close to Ireland or England, thankfully in a much weaker state. Meanwhile, back here at home, it's more heat, more humidity for South Florida. Boating looking okay. Seas about 2 to 3 feet. The beach, a good place to be tomorrow, but the rip current risk once again on Wednesday. It'll be high. First warning, 7-day forecast. More heat, more humidity on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. As we head towards Sunday, the rain starts to increase, and that will continue off and on into Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. But again, no change in the temperatures above average for at least the next 7 days. And that is your weather.